In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on MEXC so you can start trading right away. First, open the MEXC app or website and log in. On the home screen, go to Assets and make sure you're on the Overview or Spot tab. This is where both your crypto and fiat balances will show after a successful deposit. If you want to deposit crypto, tap Deposit, choose Crypto, then select the coin you want to receive, like USDT or BTC. Pick the correct network. Then copy the deposit address or scan the QR code. Go to the external wallet or exchange you're sending from, paste that address, select the same network, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. After confirmations, it will show up in your MEXC's C wallet. If you want to, add money by card, bank, or P2P, tap Buy Crypto. Choose your local currency, select card, bank transfer, or P2P. Then enter the amount you want to spend and follow the payment instructions on screen. Once completed, the purchased crypto will appear under Assets arrow spot. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.